Good afternoon, Facebook friends. This is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing on the American Trifive Association California Dreamin' Tour, presented to you by California Car Cover. We're at the Canepa Motorsports Museum, and this is a bit of a different place to look at. So we've got some drag racing and old Trans Am memorabilia here, and we're just basically in the showroom right now. But as we pan around, you're going to see a lot of exotics here. We've got some Mercedes and some Porsches. We even got a Porsche Spider back there, and even some old Fords over there, and some vintage stuff. So let me kind of walk you through here real quick. I'm kind of have to talk a little quiet here, so bear with me here. Don't want to disturb the business at hand, but let's walk along here. We're going to see like a Ford GT there, some race-inspired Porsches here, a lot of exotics at this place. We've got a Ferrari right over here, and as you move on the back, we got some coupes and a Roadster back here. So there's a really interesting mix of vehicles here, and some Mercedes. My guess is, looking at the wheels and tires, the way it sits, it's probably some kind of AMG. Again, more Porsches. Now, this is just the ground level. This is basically the public showroom, and some, all kinds of high-end stuff. So this is a millionaire's toy store. So just a different place to come and stop for a Tri-5 event, but a neat place nonetheless. There is an upstairs area that we'll be coming into as well. Let me squeeze here through here. We've got an old Audi Quattro. This car, not that many people may remember, but this is the thing that basically legitimized all-wheel drive systems. This thing dominated rally for many, many years and really set the stage for a lot of your all-wheel drive vehicles that are out there today. Again, some old vintage Porsches here, some air-cooled ones and some earlier ones, and what some people refer to as the Magnum PI Ferrari. So just walk over here, and here's another car. Porsche 959. This thing was back in the Group B days of rally. Pretty insane car. These things were typically in the 400 to 500 horsepower range, running through forests and snow and stuff like that back in the 80s. So quite a bit of neat stuff. A couple of Cobras here. So a lot of cool stuff here. And we'll venture on upstairs and see what we see up there. So stay tuned.